Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the WhatsApp status not show in this video. So here you can I'm going to start by opening the WhatsApp apps on my phone, and in here what you need to do is go to the settings on WhatsApp, click on the three dots icon at the top right corner and type in settings. Tap on settings, and after that here you can just go to the privacy, and here click on this status options. So there are three options on the status. Here you can adjust it to my contacts, my contact accepts, or only share with. So if you choose the my contacts, it will be shown to all of your WhatsApp contacts. But if you choose this my contact accepts, here you can choose who can view your video, your status, or not, or hide your story from. And if you want to only choose selected a certain person where that can watch or see your status, you can just click on only share with. So you can just choose from here to show your WhatsApp status to whom. So you can adjust it in here and make sure that the privacy is the one that you choose. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.